Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can get started with Google Sheets mobile app. Alright guys, make sure that you have download and install Google Sheet application on your phone, and after that you just need to open the Google Sheets application, and this is my Google Sheets. So just click on the Google Sheets, and this is the Google Sheet look when you first open the Google Sheet. And if you want to create new file on your Google Sheets, you can click on this plus button. Then you can either choose template or you can create new spreadsheet. If you want to use the Google Sheets template, you can click on choose template right here, and then there are a couple of templates that you can use, and you just need to tap on the template. Then the template will be created automatically on your spreadsheet. And if you want to create new blank spreadsheet, you can click on new spreadsheet right here. Then the spreadsheet will be created. And wait guys, okay, and this is the spreadsheet, and let's start editing the spreadsheet. And for example, if you want to type on the cell, you just need to click on the cell like this. Then you can enter text or formula right here, like this. Then you can create table. You can select the cells that you want to create a table. Then you can click on this border option, then select the border that you want to use. And for example, I'm going to use this one. You can also put the color to this table. You can select the cell that you want to add color, then click on this color fill option, then select the fill color that you want to use. And for example, I'm just going to select blue. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can get started with Google Sheets, and you can explore it by yourself. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.